So you're in the middle of a project and you're sewing and your fabric gets sucked into your machine. The first thing you want to do is you open up your bobbin case and you're going to cut the string, your bobbin thread. Okay, you're going to pull your bobbin out of the case, and if your fabric still, make sure that your needle is raised all the way to the top and your presser foot is raised to the top. Now you still can't remove this. This is a difficult thing to do. So now you got to go to the other step. You have to remove the plate that's in the back. Now the machine usually comes with a screwdriver, which is what I'm using, or sometimes it's even easier to use a coin. So you remove the plate, take out the screws first, of course. It's 2 screws. Technically you should be doing this with your machine off. I kept it on so that the lighting is a little better because my camera is not that great, and I really want you to be able to see this clearly. You have to be a little patient getting these screws out. Especially since when I put them back in the last time, I guess I put them in too tight. So you remove the screws. Now you're going to lift the front plastic piece where your bobbin case goes. You're going to lift that up, pull it out, and now you could take the back plate, which is the one that I just removed the screws for, and pull that out as well. Cut your thread, and now you have to work with the jam. It's just a matter of getting your fabric out of there carefully, not to rip your fabric. And there you go. Now you just put back everything the way it was. Oops. Make sure that the plate is right above the teeth. You put your bobbin cover back, and now what you're going to do is you're going to put those screws that you removed back into their place. One here and one here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and any comments, feel free to leave them. Thank you.